So today we are looking at a new pump. It's this new pump from RoadTek. These are some of the older style pumps, and you can see here they have a dial on top. And this one does not. This one does something a little different. It's got a digital display here, and this actually shows your pressure, but it does something pretty neat. With these, you just turn the pump on and let it go until you see that it's gotten full air, and you shut it off. This one, you can actually set the air pressure you want your tire to be filled to, press this button, and it just pumps away. And when it's full up to that pressure that you've set here, it shuts itself off, so you can't overinflate your tire. So if this product kind of intrigues you like it intrigued us, I've got a link down below in the description where you can pick one of these things up. I also have a link down below for this stuff, the Fix-A-Flat that I recommend. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a great big thumbs up, and come check out as we test out these pumps and see how they do filling up some pretty big truck tires. So originally I was planning on using this pump to do the demonstration, but as I hooked it up, this one decided to die on me. So we're gonna actually be using this one, which is just a generic 300 PSI pump here. We're gonna hook it up to the truck, and like I said, we did it on my truck, which is a big 33-inch tire, and we dropped these tires down to 10 pounds of pressure, and we're gonna bring them up to 40 and time it to see how long that takes between the two pumps. So let's get started. So we're going to call that one at 16 minutes. So at 16 minutes, it hit 40 pounds, and that was from 10 pounds of pressure. So 16 minutes to bring it up 30 pounds. So let's try it out with the new pump and see if that does any better. Okay, so now we've got our new pump, our RoadTek, hooked up, and you can see here we've got it reading at 10 pounds, which is what we've aired the tires down to. And then here on these guys, you're going to set it to, whatever you want your air pressure to be. So we're going to bring these up to 40. And then from there, all you got to do is turn it on. So there you go, I brought it right up to 40, actually 40.5, just a little bit over, and it did it in just a little bit over 12 minutes, so about 4 minutes faster than the other pump. But the nicest thing about this pump is that if you set it going, you can walk away. You don't have to keep coming back and checking it. It'll shut itself off when it's done. So if you want to set it and then go take care of other stuff and come back, your tires won't be overinflated. So that's a real nice feature of this pump that some of the other pumps don't have. So there you go, here's the new piece of kit that's going to be going with us in our road trip mobile, whether that be our car or our truck. One other nice thing I noticed as I was unpacking this thing was this little cable here. It's a full 3 feet longer than the cable on my other pump. And if you do have a large vehicle like us, we've got a little car, and then we've also got our Silverado here. A lot of times the cable, if you plug this into the dash, won't get this thing all the way to the back tires on some other pumps I've used. That's not the case with this one. It does make it all the way.